Highlife. Please, let's call a spade a spade. Kuami Eugene, or you're talented or you're gifted, but Highlife Kinsey, no, we have other people who deserve that crown. I'm being very honest with him. Mami Nimpame check Kuami Eugene channel bia, but this, I think it was something. Yente na no confessional.
Yeah, catch one. Nana, I say me ni chemu ni say.
Catch you straight say. Kiki na boss o me say. Me grab all the
Hello, ebusia one frey ye mbra one so ni duem one twini pay championata awaye hu dey yoga commander fire oja the phone is what to silence ekwe. Okay, anyway, people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, fancy YouTuber. Na oye Ghana and some record on system no man here day. Can use no home common and you busy. Na I kind of some years back VGM show no dona oye Nana Amakye Dede. There's a baby. I mean, what bonnet hits or your countless back-to-back hits is Nana Amakye Dede or baby. Nana Amakye Dede original stage though. Na okrawne Kuami Eugene as Highlife Prince. Cheddar say what ye Highlife free na youngsters are wabe inara what's it Highlife in paying for Ghana and I was which was Ija Kuami Eugene. There, ne talents in Highlife and extraordinary. Which I think it wasn't fair because in Uncle Fubebre Juma wa Highlife system numa cheddar oya conk oya solid and once wasa there wobo wana about enti ene na asa ina Amakye Dede oko oya interview bi wo Asase Radio shout out to Asase Radio Kumasi zan ena wanye ne twetwe nkomo bi se na nana na Kuami Eugene no bazaar na why you industry numa. It took my crown and all know as the Highlife Prince. And Nana Amakye Dede a war a Brentia Sports or La Paz. Or see, no cranya me him. Damazana me and Ankasan, men no more papa because on yame pem. Then Kamama Kuami Eugene I hin chowder on you the Highlife King. Never. Unkonyame pe, but what she shy. In a what for some there, man shaboy no hin wo begum. Na asemi or trend basa left and right go for bebrace na yebezo ho ya fiden kanana pads you stand not to lose anything if you deny Kuami Eugene being the Highlife King when it's being forced on you the fashion and ka our pads and ka say ring your bien to me because nana it's on a big man but I understand Nana Matsina say oju sometime e bi no mo ha wanyo hyekone bia bonde if twan bi onye ye eyi wan bi onye ye nti mo said eye na eko nti wo megin say asama wo bi sane mensima oye Nana Amakye Dede oyi ano de onya ne pe do on hye Kuami Eugene ahinche bet what the shana kon wo for sane mo oye na sanana po otu mo oye da ma.
Do I did that. But not and yet me willing say me yes they force me say and say me crown.
At another why can I someday he was forced to do that act. In who picture nada I'm going to show you the picture. This was that day. When you so this is the picture of Kuami Eugene being crowned as the Highlife King. And a lot of people were not happy because yasha Charlie akabwa no minjuma wa bo was system no mun was fata there wa bo na bawdo name it Kofi Kinata nom and papa wodzirugu for me and Obimpo Fido you're too early at his career to be crowned as an Highlife King. Let's go on the ground so no one I will follow Highlife and Ankasa no one I wear Highlife Ankasa. Import the Highlife the system no ma enyumnyam bebrebe bisakede when people had forgotten about Highlife. Yan crown bisa Highlife. Well, young corner Amakye Dede no common na reason. Into Okobende there, a lot of people were pointing fingers at Charterhouse. Charterhouse, muna mo shisha de medjume man na mo ye, mwenyi maze ya har. Muna mo ye da mazi Charterhouse mwenyi maze ya har. Na Charterhouse fo bakere. Asemi yenyim hoshe. Yenyim hoshe Robert Klaus, asemi yenyim hoshe. And akofo na events na ya mumu events. Anybody that needs to be on stage, you have it on your list. Show me what director or producer into so be boko stage do. Now I can BBR or you're there more your knowledge of it before even the person obokake the mazen. On a Robert Serbakede, yes, Obibo producing a listed obey day. But when it comes to logistic na yama be I what producing more one day when hear lights and adam yaman. But pardon one day they associated with that and the disclaimer. Watch one when you moshi. Into a bed people are giving Nana pressure that Nana buzzing and Nana buzzing. If people will put the pressure that you're very rich and or either madden. Akiko man kofre kenyin. They reach botuma she share the major man. Bet Nana buzzing nobody no you rich on your Charterhouse. Now, what may you say? Abeku Santana, big brother, shout outs to you. Abeku Santana, no on your producer extraordinary, Gordon Dobu in a way them interview. Now, interview now, what year now, Daisy. One more abo yimpa. Oshanana, Amakye Dede. On si Kuami Eugene on him, Abra Hanson son, Anton, Sebe, Wole, Kontombide, or the Highlife Kena. Sebe will contom bide. Some guy at a cryptocurrency or a Highlife. Please, let's call a spade a spade. Kuami Eugene or a talented or a gifted, but Highlife Kenzie, no, we have other people who deserve that crown. I'm being very honest with him. Mami Nimpame check Kuami Eugene channel bia, but this, I think it was something. Yente nana confessional.
Yeah, catch one. Nana, I say me ni chemu ni say.
Catch you straight say. Kiki na boss o me say. Me crab or the man no. Me the ma Rob.
Yeah, catch one. Nana, I say me ni chemu ni say.
Catch you straight say. Kiki na boss o me say. Me crab or the man no. Me the ma
Nana no wakara summon. You see, I like how Nana Amakye Dede man up and came out to tell the truth. He mentioned the name because sabi bra wa bo ya summon on to mention madam asam kitikiti one fena nyim chuchu foam. Watch there on your Charterhouse do no or your kiki, but kiki na ya pedi yehun because system ne o kikis bebre wom. So a kiki jano, so a kiki bansuno, so a kiki one, so a kiki b so you bosh who that kiki is. Kiki. It's on you will chroma ha. Kiki. You're buying him and you're about paying our betches. I won't send him will chroma ha. Yeah, I got to be serious no when you're steady. Kuami Eugene. Nana Sunday. What forcing? Don't kede or him. But what time and swing? That be what Nana Amakye Dede did talk.
Though I did that. But not and yet me willing say. Me yes, they forced me say and say me crown.
It's a say for Hannah me you were from me pack out to the rich fancy YouTuber or young summer recorded or Ghana and a major dream of fancy my son so my presenting a nice ammo. But Mazinana Chawadrin or comment section. Let me know what you also feel, your point of view, your thoughts, your ideas in the comment section. Asha Trobibi ne hunde. Yes, Asha video. Medawasibe I'm out.